Hello students, my name is Bhushan Pramod Deshmukh and in today's lecture we are going to learn about face value and place value of a number. Right? Now let us understand one by one. First one is face value. Right? Now what is meant by face value? Face value is nothing but the value of digit itself. Right? Face value is nothing but the value of digit itself. Now consider an example 48,325, right? In this number, the face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 3 is 3. Similarly, face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 2 is 2. And face value of 5 is 5, right? What is the face value? Face value is a value of digit itself, right? Here, the face value of 4 is 4 because face value is the value of digit itself, right? Value of digit itself. The face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 2 is 2 and face value of 5 is 5, right? Let us consider one more example. Here, consider an example 98,304, right? Now, here, what is the face value of 9? Face value of 9 is 9. Face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 0 is 0. And face value of 4 is 4, right? Now, what does it mean? Face value of a number is value of digit itself, right? Value of digit itself. Okay. Now let us understand place value. Place value. Now, as this name suggests, place value is a value of digit according to the place of digit, right? It is value of digit where the digit is placed, right? That is, the place value of digit changes according to the place. This change in place value of digit is dependent on place of digit, right? What does it mean? Let us consider an example. Consider an example 25,341, right? Here the 1 is placed at unit place, right? It is multiplied by 1. This 4 is placed at tens place, right? Therefore multiply it by 10. Here 3 is placed at 100 place, right? So multiply it by 100. This 5 is placed at 1000 place, so multiply it by 1000. Now this 2 is placed at 10,000 place. Now multiply this number by 10,000, right? Now here, what is the place value of 1? Place value of 1 is 1 because it is placed as unit place, therefore 1 is 1. Place value of 4 is, now see here 4 is placed at tens place, therefore multiply 4 by 10, that is 4 into 10, 40, right? Now place value of 3 is, here 3 is placed at 100 place, therefore multiply 3 by 100, that is 3 into 100, 300. Now place value of 5 is 5,000. Why? Because 5 is placed at 1000 place, right? Therefore place value of 5 is 5,000, and place value of 2 is, as this 2 is at 10,000 place, so multiply number 2 by 10,000, right? What will we get? 2 multiplied by 10,000, that is 20,000. Therefore the place value of 2 is 20,000, right? Now I will write some example, and you have to write the face value and place value of each digit into comment section. Okay, write face value of each digit of 98,365, right? And second question is write place value of each digit of number, right? Write this answer in comment section below. Okay, now let us understand, if a number has the same digits, then how to write a face value and place value of digit, right? Let us consider an example. Suppose 85,252, right? Here 5 and 2 here the digits 2 and 5 are repeated. Okay. Now, how to write a face value? Face value of is each digit, right? As we know that face value is a value of digit itself, right? Therefore, there will be no change in a face value of digit, right? It means the face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 2 is 2. Right? Again, the face value of 5 is 5 and the face value of 2 is 2. Now, what conclusion comes from this face value of each digit? It means face value does not depend on the place of a digit, right? That is, face value of a digit is irrespective of place of digit, right? Face value does not change by change in place of digit, right? It means that it does not matter where the digit is placed, right? At which the digit is placed, the face value of digit remains the same, right? If 5 is placed at unit place, the face value remains the same, that is 5. If 5 is placed at the 1000 place, again the face value of 5 remains the same. Okay. Here face value remains the same. It does not change with the change in place of digit. Now let us understand an example of place value of digit. Now consider an example 35,765. Here 5 is repeated. Now here, as the place is different for 5, therefore the place value changes as the place of 5 changes, right? Here this 5 is placed at unit place, therefore multiply this by 1. This 6 is placed at tens place, so multiply it by 10. This 7 is placed at 1000 place, sorry, this at 100 place, so multiply it by 100. This 5 is placed at 1000 place, so multiply it by 1000. And here 3 is placed at 10,000 place, so multiply it by 10,000, right? Now here as this 5 is placed at two different place, that is one as unit place and second one is at 1000 place. Therefore here the place value will change as the place of 5 changes. Therefore the place value of 5 is 5 and the place value of 5 is 5000, right? This place value of 5 is for last digit and this place value of 5 is 5000. This is for second 5. Okay, take one more example and write the place value and the face value of each digit in the given comment section below. Write place value and place value of each digit. The given example is 98,772, right? You have to write the face value and place value of each digit of this given number. Okay, thank you.